হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আপনারা দেখছেন সাইবারটক ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। সাথে আপনাদের হোস্ট রেহমান আছে আপনাদের সাথে। আজকে আমরা কথা বলবো কানাডাতে যে ইন্স্যুরেন্স কোম্পানিগুলো আছে এর মধ্যে 12টা বেস্ট ইন্স্যুরেন্স কোম্পানি নিয়ে আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করবো। কানাডায় অবস্থানরত যারা আছেন লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্সের ব্যাপারে আপনারা ইন্টারেস্টেড তাদের জন্য কিন্তু ভিডিওটি খুবই উপকৃত হবে। আশা করি না টেনে পুরো ভিডিওতে আমাদের সাথে থাকবেন। আজকে আমরা যে ওয়েবসাইটটি এক্সপ্লেন করব সেটা হচ্ছে wealthawesome.com, একটি ওয়েবসাইট। তো ভিডিওটি শুরু করার আগে চ্যানেলে যারা নতুন আছেন অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে দিতে পারেন পরবর্তী ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশন পাওয়ার জন্য। So 12 best life insurance companies in Canada 2020 by Peace of Mind. Looking for the best life insurance company in Canada? You might be overwhelmed with all the different options. Did you know that only 2 out of every 5 Canadians have a group of employer-sponsored life insurance? About half, 49% of number have costly whole life insurance that they might don't need, while about one third of Canadian population does not have any kind of life insurance. All of this point to the fact that a lot of Canadians are not well informed about life insurance or don't want to deal with it. I used to be a life insurance advisor over 18 clients, and I understand that it's a complex financial product. I will try to simplify what it is and shed some light on what I beloved and what I believed are the best life insurance companies in Canada. So choosing the right life insurance company, choosing the right life insurance company is just important as choosing the right insurance policy. However, different considerations go into these two different choices. Therefore, when you are going through the list of some of the best life insurance companies in Canada and you are trying to figure out of the best of on for you, there are a few things you need to look into. One, financial stability. It can be a reliability difficult element to look into, especially if the insurance company is not publicly listed and is not forthcoming about the state of its finance. However, you can look into parent company and the reinsurance information if it is available. The reason you might want to look into it, especially if you are going for an expensive life insurance policy, is that the company should have enough liquidity and any given time that it can pay your survivor their due property. So the right insurance policy and rider. If you are simply looking for term life insurance, almost all reputable life insurance companies will have a clear policy in place. The right policy then would simply depend upon the cost benefit analysis and the reputation. As some companies would have more expensive policy for either type while other would have more affordable ones. So you have to determine whether the cost of is justified. If there is a virtually no difference between the payouts and the policy structure, simply going to for the most affordable life insurance company is a pragmatic choice. The reputation, as always, I recommended extremely the researching the life insurance company you are about to choose. Look into their reviews and read through the experience of previous clients. Do the companies pay out the survivors immediately and smoothly? Do they try to cheat the survivors out of the death benefits to technically how flexible are they about the missing payment? Best life insurance company is Canada. I have covered a few of the best insurance company in Canada based on the factors start about it and a few more. The rates are regulated. The rates are calculated using the online calculator of the term life insurance company based on a hypothetical candidate with the following characters: 40 years old, man, non-smoker, and Ontario resident, 20 years term policy or whole life insurance policy valued $100,000. Smoker tend to land at much higher rate than a non-smoker. Still, we choose a non-smoker because only about 12% of Canadians smoke. So, more people would find the non-smoker policy cost more relatable. Males also tend to land at a higher rate than females. Furthermore, the higher your age, the costlier your policy and likely to be. On the other hand, the reason for choosing a relatively high $100,000 policy amount death benefits is the inflection in 20 years or so. The purchasing power of $1 million will be significantly less than what it is now. Look Let's look at some of the best life insurance companies in Canada. The best life insurance companies in Canada there is these days you can save a lot of money by shopping with online insurance providers, since many of these online insurance brokers don't maintain a traditional brick and mortar location. Underwriting fees are often low, allowing consumer to save more money. So the policy me insurance type: life insurance only. The term life insurance cost $92 per month. Whole life insurance not available. Rating: website reviews 4.84. Get frequent policy me is the one the mission to make the process of buying term life insurance significantly easier. It started as an online platform that allowed Canadians to compare different insurance policies side by side. Canadian Premier Life Insurance underwriter all the life insurance policies sold by PolicyB. It has been operating in an country since 1955, has about 300 million in assets, and has a financial strength rating of from AM Best. The company also offers insurance policy issued by four other prominent names, including Canada Protection Plan and BMO Life Assure. PolicyMe is now Canada's first completely online life insurance policy provider, which carries the some cost benefit that digital banking does. Since it doesn't rely on a brick and mortar setup and costly physical presence, it offers significantly cheaper life insurance policy compared to others. It also makes the process easier, cutting out of broker, medical professional, and spectre underwriter. The term life insurance is provides offers a fairly typical coverage. Your survivor get the death benefits in case of your early demise. Regardless of the circulation of your death, expect suicide in the first 2 years of buying the policy.